Hi everybody, my name's Matt.Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon today to show you a really fantastic used Class B motorhome, actually Class B plus we like to call these because they're widened like a Class C, but they're lower profile and usually a little shorter. And usually the B plus categories are some of your higher quality rigs, and this one's no exception. This is a 2013 leisure travel Unity, and this has a slide out and the Murphy bed feature, which is very popular. We'll take a look at that right now. Follow me. Now, the thing that's really unusual about this floor plan is that, first of all, this is got a big bed, but you don't see it because it's a Murphy bed. It's put away, and that means I get more living space in my coach. The bathroom in the back is really spacious. So if you would like to have a little bit more of a bathroom with a glass shower enclosure, this is something that's hard to find in a smaller camper van or B van. We've got porcelain toilet, lots of storage. Look at this big wardrobe cabinet we've got here. There's plenty of space and a beautiful sink, and everything is really roomy in this bathroom. That's extremely hard to come by in a smaller coach. This coach is about 24 and a half, 25 feet long, so it's really, really drivable. Also, we've got great pantry space here. This comes out like this, so as we move forward into the galley, you see lots of overhead storage, lots of counter space. This one even has a special garbage compartment, so I can slide my stuff right into the garbage can. Makes it easy to keep my coach neat. Got nice storage down here for pots and pans. And then this is a really cool feature. This has a convertible TV cabinet, so the TV actually goes down inside and gets out of the way when I'm not watching TV, and I can just have this come up when I need it. Above the cabinet here, you see lots of overhead storage, and you can see from this one, we've got it throughout this coach, but there's a lot of storage in this rig. Now, right here, this is a dining area, and we've got a built-in tabletop. See, this is something that gives us a lot of versatility because I can have this as a table. I can also just use it kind of as a seating area or even a day bed. But when I fold it down, it'll make a Murphy bed, and I'm going to show you that right now. So now what's happened is I've set the dining room down, and this table goes out of the way, and then a bed folds down, and now we've got a nice bedroom window with blinds. This is a nice queen bed. It's a very comfortable mattress, and to be entirely frank with you, I don't think this thing's been slept on. It almost looks like brand new. I can't see any signs of wear and tear. So when you look at video of a used coach, sometimes the pictures aren't quite as good as you'd like them to be, or vice versa, but this thing's every bit as nice as you think it is looking at it right now. It's very, very clean. When we want to go back up, we just put that away. We've got our dining area back. Now, coming forward, the thing that's interesting about this vehicle is built on the Mercedes chassis. And the Mercedes chassis is great because, first of all, this is a V6 turbo diesel engine and it gets pretty good mileage. Most motorhomes this size are V10 Ford engines, and they will have a mileage of about 8 to 10 miles to the gallon, but this will get well into the mid to high teens. And it's got a lot more room in this driving area for people like me. I've got big feet. There's no big engine housing like you have in the Ford. So there's a lot more of an open seating area, a lot more comfortable. And then you have all of the bells and whistles that you'd expect. It's got power windows, locks, tilt and cruise. It has the special Mercedes automatic override with the manual shift feature. This, of course, has a backup camera and climate control and all kinds of good bells and whistles. I really, really love these. I sell lots and lots of Sprinter chassis and have for many, many years, and they're just widely regarded as the highest quality chassis you can get in a motorhome. So I love this thing, and I just want to say inside, before we move out, all of these cabinets inside are solid lumber, hand built. There's no smoke smells, no indication of neglect, no pets, nothing. This is just as clean as a whistle. I know you'd love it. Okay, let's go quickly outside. As we look at the exterior on this coach, one of the first things you'll notice is that this is a full body paint scheme. This is all paint. There's no decals on here, and so it's going to weather and last a lot better than a lot of your typical Class C's where you have stickers on the sides and they weather a lot. Beautiful colors too, just really nicely done. We have the flush mount windows. These automotive style windows are great because they don't transmit heat, and condensation isn't as common with these as they are a traditional RV window with an aluminum frame. One thing I want to point out here, most coaches that are wide bodies, the wall comes out at a 90-degree angle and buffets into the wind as you drive. That is not so great for handling. It's really noisy, and in the long run can lead to leaks and wear and tear. These are sloped back. This is all a one-piece fiberglass cap on the front of the coach, and it's very aerodynamic, so it's quiet, and it's just really reliable. It'll last a long time. And of course, these are just beautiful on the outside. Now this one does have a slide out, but if you look down here, when the slide's in, this has side view cameras. So you have a backup camera, and then side views are great, especially when you're getting ready to turn into a corner. It'll show you what's on that side. This has a slide topper cover on the awning. This is, for the slide out, it's a wonderful feature. It keeps debris off the top of your slide so you don't have any issues when it's time to bring the slide back in. And then as we look up here, you'll notice this has a beautiful top. There's a solar panel up here, and it's a glass top. It's got a ladder so you can access the roof. And as we look around, I just don't think you're seeing any kind of issues that look like even a scratch. This is a gorgeous rig. Back here, we have a really nice storage area, and it's accessible from inside or outside, so you can keep your road stuff in here. And unlike most camper vans, there's also outside storage. There's outside boxes and places for you to put things. I hope you enjoyed this video. This 2013 Leisure Travel Unity is a real find. It's hard to come by, especially in spectacular condition like this one is. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions, I hope you come by and ask for me or give me a call. My name's Matt.Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.